Play Marie. In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about the new crochet style that I have in my hair. In my previous video, I did some crochet loose using free tress loose deep wave hair, and I really like that style. I wore it for about 3 weeks before taking it out, and that style was really great. It was my first time braiding my hair down. In that video, I also talked about where I learned how to braid, because before I could not braid. But check out that video if you haven't watched that one before you watch this one, just so you understand what I'm talking about. And in today's video, since I like the crochet style so much, I decided to crochet my hair once again. Now for this style, I use the Caribbean Dreadlock. It says 2-in-1 value pack, and they are the soft dread. This is what the pack looks like. And I got this from my local beauty supply for $4.99, and I bought 5 packs of hair, so it's not too bad. Came up to about $26, so definitely on the inexpensive side. These are, oh, they all fell out. I forgot it was open. Okay, these are what the locks look like. And I just got, like I said, 5 packs of hair of 1B hair. And then I did get a 1 because they were out of 1B. But you can't really tell as far as the style goes. You know, you won't really know the difference. But this style was extremely easy. I really did not struggle putting these in my head. This, I think with them being in like a dread form, it was really easy for me to grip, and I used the same method that I used in my last video as far as crocheting this style into my head. It took me about an hour, I would say, to braid my hair, because I'm still new to braiding my hair, and then it took me about maybe an hour or less to crochet the hair in, which was really easy. I mean, I went through it so quick. I'll show you all the hair. This style was really easy. I'm not a big fan of the hair, but I think it's okay. I think it'll grow on me. I just needed another style just to last me another couple of weeks. Alright, so that's enough of me rambling about this style. For you all who want to see how I installed my hair, I'm going to insert that clip right now. Crochets that I'm using this time are in a kind of dreadlock, so I just wanted to show you all how I crochet my hair. So you're going to take the dreadlock, put it around your finger. It's going to be the same method that I used last time, and we're just going to take our crochet, put it through our hair, and I'm just looping it twice, pulling it through. Now the only difference is, because this hair is kind of in a dread form, I just pull it to create the kind of loose spiral curls that I have now. So I just wanted to show you all that is the only difference. It's the same method as my last crochet video. Again, I'm just separating the curls. And I will come back to you all once I am finished completely with my head. Alright guys, so that was a little clip of me showing you how I installed this hair. It's pretty easy. If you're looking for a more detailed video, make sure you watch the video that I posted before this one that goes into detail about how you can install this style. Again, there's really not much to tell you. I didn't want to make a long video of me rambling again about how I did the style, because I have a detailed video on that. It's not really much to tell you other than I like this style. It feels like a lot more hair than I had the last time while I'm letting my natural hair grow back. But yeah, thank you all so much for tuning into my video. As always, please subscribe. Yeah, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. And thank you all so much for tuning into my video. And I'll see you all during my next one. Bye.